only 17,800 miles, and this forgotten 1980s turbo legend might be cooler than a Supra. In the golden age of turbocharged performance, when neon lights reflected across glossy paint and every automaker was chasing the future, a machine emerged that refused to follow the crowd. A car that looked exotic, a car that sounded exotic, a car that even today turns heads wherever it goes. This is the 1988 Chrysler Conquest TSi, and this particular example isn't just special, it's extraordinary. Finished in factory-correct Fiji Blue paint and showing an astonishing 17,800 original miles, this Conquest TSi is a time capsule from one of the most exciting eras in automotive history. As the light dances across its sculpted bodywork, it's hard to believe this car rolled off the assembly line nearly 4 decades ago, because even today it looks futuristic, purposeful, and undeniably cool. The first thing that grabs your attention is the stance. Wide fender flares stretch over muscular wheels. The long hood creates a classic performance car silhouette. And those iconic pop-up headlights instantly transport you back to the late 1980s, when sports cars were bold, angular, and unapologetically dramatic. Unlike many coupes of its era, the Conquest wasn't designed to blend in, it was built to stand apart. Every line and contour serves a purpose, every angle hints at speed. And every detail reflects an era when automotive designers were free to dream big. Finished in Fiji Blue, this example showcases one of the most eye-catching color combinations available. The deep metallic paint accentuates the car's aggressive bodywork while highlighting its timeless proportions. It's a color that perfectly captures the spirit of the 1980s, vibrant, confident, and unforgettable. Open the door and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels remarkably preserved. The black cloth upholstery remains true to the car's original character. The dashboard wraps around the driver with a cockpit-inspired layout. Cluts are positioned within easy reach. The seating position is low and sporty. And every surface reminds you that this was Chrysler's vision of a premium performance machine. Slide into the driver's seat, and suddenly the years disappear. You're no longer looking at a classic car. You're experiencing a snapshot of automotive history. Ahead of you sits a steering wheel equipped with audio controls, an advanced feature for its time. Nearby are power window switches, power door lock controls, cruise control functions, and all the conveniences that transformed this turbocharged coupe into a genuine grand touring machine. The air conditioning provides comfort. The AM/FM cassette stereo evokes nostalgia. And the overall atmosphere creates a uniquely authentic driving experience that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. But beneath the stylish exterior lies the true heart of the Conquest TSi, a turbocharged 2.6-liter inline 4-cylinder engine. In an era when turbocharging was still an exciting innovation rather than a standard feature, this power plant represented cutting-edge technology. Equipped with electronic fuel injection and a responsive turbocharger, the engine delivers power with a distinctive personality at lower speeds. It's composed and refined, but once boost begins to build, the car transforms, the turbocharger awakens, torque surges forward, and the Conquest launches down the road with surprising urgency. This wasn't merely transportation, it was an experience. Power is routed through a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, creating a balance between performance and comfort. The transmission shifts smoothly and confidently, allowing drivers to enjoy both spirited acceleration and relaxed highway cruising. Combined with rear-wheel drive, the Conquest delivers a driving feel that's increasingly rare in today's automotive landscape. The steering communicates, the chassis responds, and the connection between driver and machine feels refreshingly mechanical. Power steering enhances daily usability, while 4-wheel power disc brakes provide confident stopping capability. Every component was engineered to create a complete performance package rather than simply chase horsepower figures, and that's precisely why the Conquest remains respected among enthusiasts. It wasn't built to dominate spec sheets. It was built to create emotion. Walking around the vehicle, details continue to reveal themselves. The distinctive rear spoiler, the sculpted hatchback design, the carefully integrated aerodynamic elements, the iconic wide-body architecture. Each feature contributes to a design that remains instantly recognizable decades later. And perhaps that's the greatest achievement of the Conquest TSi. It has aged gracefully. Many vehicles from the 1980s now feel trapped in the past. The Conquest feels different. Its proportions remain desirable. Its styling remains distinctive, its character remains compelling, and examples with mileage this low have become increasingly difficult to find. Only 17,800 actual miles. Think about that for a moment. Most vehicles from 1988 have traveled well over 100,000 miles. Many have been modified, some have been neglected, others have disappeared entirely. Yet this Conquest survives as an exceptionally preserved example of a rapidly disappearing automotive icon. For collectors, originality matters. For enthusiasts, authenticity matters. And this car delivers both. Its factory-correct Fiji Blue finish, original-style presentations, and remarkably low mileage create a package that is becoming rarer with every passing year. At an asking price of $29,995, this Conquest isn't simply being sold as transportation, it's being offered as a collectible, a preserved piece of turbocharged history, a reminder of an era when performance cars possessed unique personalities. An era when designers took risks, and an era when driving excitement mattered more than digital screens and software updates. The 1988 Chrysler Conquest TSi represents something special. Not because it was the fastest, not because it was the most expensive, but because it dared to be different. Today, that individuality is exactly what makes it so desirable, a turbocharged survivor. A wide-body icon, a low-mileage time capsule, and one of the most fascinating performance cars of the 1980s, the Chrysler Conquest TSi, forgotten by many, remembered by enthusiasts, and admired by anyone fortunate enough to see one in person, because legends don't always wear famous badges. Sometimes they wear Fiji Blue.